Pamper Day. Samahan niyo akong mag-hashtag Gala to the Max!
Working out, but make it feel like a reset for the body and mind.
Anytime Fitness is a 24/7 global brand wherein we help people reach their fitness goals. At the same time, we offer services in terms of personal training, guiding them to reach their wellness and fitness. We offer top-notch equipment for the members, and at the same time, we also offer group classes for the members so that they could enjoy working out with the other members of the club. Basically, all the equipments here are covered for you to reach your fitness goals talaga. Here at Anytime Fitness Telebastagan, we are really into inclusivity and exclusivity of the community.
DentaCare Philippines is the largest dental clinic chain here in the country in terms of number of branches. And we are so excited and we are so happy that we are part of SM Telebastagan tenant now. So we cater to all oral health care, from basic dental services to surgeries to dental implants, even cosmetics, the likes of veneers, crowns, or bridges. It's really important to take care of our oral health because everyone naman kapag nakakakita tayo or nagkakaroon tayo ng first meet up sa mga kakilala natin, yung smile yung unang nakikita.
Take care of your smile!
Good movie, good snack, good chill.
Skincare is self-care!
Pamper has started since 1990. So, more than 36 years na kami in the wellness business. So, isa ito sa pinagkakatiwalaan expert center for facials, body treatments, body enhancement, waxing services. Binabalik-balikan po ng ating mga kliyente ang derm care dahil na-experience po nila na hindi dapat maging mahal ang pagpapaganda. So dito po is affordable ang aming prices but very effective po ito.